Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. Ooh. Puppy, I love you. You don't love me? Okay. Today is going to be the 6,852nd time I'm going to bleach my hair. Are you guys already bored of this? Because it honestly wouldn't surprise me at all. But yeah, today I'm going to bleach my hair again. You can't really see what it's looking like right now because I got a beanie on, but I'm going to show you in a minute what my hair looks like. But the last time I bleached my hair, it actually turned out pretty good. Like, I was so surprised with how it turned out. But the thing was that I used a toner in my hair, and generally speaking I always have bad experiences with toners. I don't know why, I just think I always pick out the wrong ones, or just my hair doesn't like toners. I don't know what it is. But when I put the toner in my hair, it actually looked pretty good. But then, a few days later, I washed my hair. And the toner that made my hair really beautiful grey washed out of my hair as well. But not like all over my hair. The toner stayed in the ends of my hair, but on the rest of my hair it just washed out completely. So I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looked like after a few days and what it's been looking like for the past month or so. You can't see it right now, but wait a minute. But the ends of my hair is silver, and then over here it is like yellow, and it honestly goes through my entire hair. So it doesn't matter like how I do my hair, you can see silver and yellow underneath it. Oh my god, it is so disgusting. I hate it so much. So today I'm going to try to fix this. And yeah, I'm aware that I should probably go to a professional, but I just really want to do it myself because that's the kind of person I am. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I hopefully make my hair look beautiful, but it will probably end up with me shaving everything off again, then please keep on watching. So this time I actually bought a different kind of bleach because I've been using the same one for years, but honestly I feel like it just doesn't work as good on my hair anymore because my hair definitely doesn't get as light as it used to get. So I got some professional Schwarzkopf bleach. This is the Schwarzkopf Professional because, you know, I am the professional. Blonde Me Enforcing Premium Lightener 9+ Dust Free Powder. And I also got the Schwarzkopf Professional Blonde Me Premium Developer Oil Formula Moisture Maintaining 20 volume. Okay, and I've heard a lot of good things about them, so I hope that it's gonna work out this time. Also, I'm aware that 20 volume is kind of like a lot since this hair is already bleached a few times, but I also have roots coming through, and I definitely need to use 20 volume on that because otherwise it's just gonna turn into like not the color that I want. So I'm just gonna use this on all of my hair because that's the kind of person that I am. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So I just read the instructions on the packaging and it says for professional use only. Guess I'm a professional today. Hey! I honestly think I made way too much bleach because my hair really isn't this long. So that's a total waste of product. Also, I'm gonna use gloves again. I know, it's very off-brand for me, but I feel like I need to do like a little bit of an effort to be a little bit professional, you know? So let me just put my gloves on. I really don't like using gloves though. They make my hands feel weird, but you know, it's bleach, it's very powerful, it's very strong, and I don't want my fingers to fall off, so I'm gonna use it. Okay, I'm gonna be good this time. Also, if my hair is looking really gross, I'm sorry, I just haven't washed it in 2 weeks, which is probably very gross, but at the same time I don't really care that much. But I've literally been just ignoring my actual hair for the last month because I just couldn't be bothered. So I haven't even washed it yet. I'm at that point in my life, I know. Woo! I am so excited for my hopefully beautiful new hair. I hope it's gonna work out, but it probably won't. Also, I feel like I should probably go to the hairdresser to let them like cut my hair in a cute model, because right now it's honestly everything is just one length and it's looking pretty ridiculous, not gonna lie. So I might need to go to the hairdresser and like let them make something cute out of it, but at the same time I just want to let it grow. So, you know, if I don't cut it, it's gonna grow faster, but also if I don't cut it, it's gonna look absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, kind of in a pickle right here. It's kind of a difficult situation. But look how long my hair already is. I can literally part it. That's so special. I haven't been able to part it for like 5 months. So this is a very special moment for me. I'm so happy. You can see it right here. It's so weird. Like my roots are straight line over here. And then I have like a straight line over here from the yellow. And then I have like a little line of silver. Why does this always happen to me? I don't know. Probably because I'm just not careful enough, and also probably because I literally don't have any education on hair at all. I just watch YouTube videos and then pretend like I know everything about it. So yeah, the front of my hair is covered in bleach and I kind of feel like it's turning green again, but you know, at this point in my life I just I'm not even surprised anymore. So if it turns out green, then fine, I have green hair. It's part of my life now, okay? So what I'm now going to do is I'm just quickly going to try and bleach the back of my head with like 2 mirrors in front of each other, you know. It's always like a very horrible and difficult thing to do, but I'm gonna try. And then I'll be right back with the rest of my hair. Ooh. Okay, be right back. Hey, I am back and I've bleached my entire head, as you can see. Look at the back. It's looking so gorgeous, am I right? Oh my god. So I still believe it's turning pretty green, but again, I'm just gonna not think about that right now. So I'm just gonna let this sit for approximately like 10 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna take my leftover bleach. I actually had to make more bleach. Every time when I think I use too much bleach, I end up having not enough. So I made a little bit more bleach that I used on the back of my head, and I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna apply what I have on the rest of my head. I look so ridiculous. I always look ridiculous, but today it's just a little bit worse than normal. But yeah, it's been about 10 minutes and I'm just gonna put this bleach all over my hair so that I can do the ends as well. And then I think I'm just gonna let it sit for 15 minutes, maybe even less, because I feel like it's getting pretty light. I don't know if you can see it, but I feel like it's going into the right direction. It's looking like toothpaste again. So yeah, all the bleach is in my hair and I'm starting to look like Draco Malfoy, which honestly is not a bad look at all, so I'm happy. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna let this sit for 10 more minutes, maybe 15, I don't know. I actually haven't really looked at the time, which isn't a good thing to do at all. You should always look at the time and see how long the bleach has been in your hair for. But I kinda didn't really look at the time. So I'm just gonna wing it. Yeah, this is gonna turn out great. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it sit and then wash it out. And then you can see what it looks like. Oh my god, you guys. Look at my hair! It's not the end result, of course. Don't worry. This isn't like my... Oh my god, look! It turned out so great! See you in the next one. Bye! I am gonna tone it after this. But it is like one even color right now, which my hair hasn't been one even color ever since I bleached it for the first time, and that was probably like 10 years ago. Hey, how you doing? And since I developed a phobia for actual toners, I'm just gonna use my Fanola No Yellow shampoo as a toner, because this stuff is actually like really strong and really good. So my hair is pretty light right now, so I think it's gonna work. I don't need to have silver hair, I just want this stuff to be a little bit less yellow. So I'm just gonna put this all in my hair. And I do think it's gonna work out, but I'm not sure yet. We're gonna see. I'm excited. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Put it on my head. And I'm gonna use a lot. This stuff honestly smells so good. Every time I put it in my hair, I'm like, oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. So yeah, my hair is covered, as you can see. And to be honest, I actually have like a really good feeling about it this time. I know I had a good feeling about it last time as well, and that turned out into a disaster. But you know, just the fact that I'm not using a toner this time just makes me feel a lot more positive. So yeah, again, I'm just gonna let this sit into my hair for a few minutes. I think for like 15 minutes, I'm not sure. We'll see. I'm gonna let it sit in my hair and then I'm gonna rinse it out and then I'll be back with the end result. Oh my god. Yeah, we're gonna find out if I'm actually professional or not. So I'm so excited. So yeah guys, this is the end result of my hair. Oh my god. It actually worked out this time. I am so surprised. Look at how white it is. Oh my god. It's almost as white as the wall behind me. I ended up washing my hair 2 times with the silver shampoo because after using it 1 time my hair was still a little bit yellow. But honestly, almost all the yellow is out of it. So it worked out this time, and this time it worked out better than the last time because I'm pretty sure if I'm going to wash my hair now that it won't turn like 5 different colors again. So I am so proud! Leslie, what do you think of my hair?
I'm so proud of you!
He's so proud of me! No, but honestly, I'm so happy. Do you think I look like a girl again?
More than before.
No, I think so as well. I kind of got rid of my boy look. So yeah, after this bleaching thing, I found out that the reason why my hair was always f***ed up and not the color that I wanted it was because of the bleach that I used. Because I buy one different kind of bleach for one time and it turns into the exact color that I wanted to. So next time I should probably do a little bit more research in the type of bleach that I'm using and not just buy the cheapest one because apparently that is not gonna work out. So yeah, I am so happy. One thing that I actually don't really like about this is that it's such a nice base for a new color. Because it's such an even color right now, so I'm really tempted to just like put another color on top of it because I know for a fact that it's gonna turn out gorgeous, but I'm not gonna do that. I have to keep it like this for at least a month, I think, maybe even longer. So yeah, I really hope you guys liked this bleaching video. It was not a fail, unfortunately, for you guys because I know you really like watching my hair fails. But it turned out great, so I'm happy. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, bye!